Remixed, Blacksmith, New Heavies. Yeah, Boogie, get down. It's how we doing it. It's how we doing it.
Stupid boy, you thought he'd try. Run a game on me while out last night.
Said he wanted me, said he couldn't lie, but I was his first hit in a while.
You seem real cool, but I won't suffer a fool gladly. Hear what the next girl said to me. I got your tune, yeah, I know your game. Your misfortunes, I'm about to shame ya. Ain't too clever, think I'm a strain ya. All the time you're so to blame. Hey girl, today use me today. He just wants your booty. He's all about the booty. Well, I just came to boogie. I'm all about the boogie. Tonight's about the boogie. Foolishly, you began lying, trying to lie at what I just found out.
Said he told the truth, said he didn't lie, he had an alibi.
Right back then, them two women said they've been calling on him night and day. Then they say, I got your tune, yeah, I know your game. Your misfortunes, I'm about to shame ya. Ain't too clever, think I'm a strain ya. All the time you're so to blame. Hey girl, today use me today. He just wants your booty. He's all about the booty. Well, I just came to boogie. I'm all about the boogie. Tonight's about the boogie.
This is more than skin deep, more than a crush, more than a step. The way you move, give me a rush. I'm not here for the boot, just here for the truth. Want a bird's eye view when I raise the roof. Let loose, let down your hair, boogie down to the other women wanna stare. And your message to the guys read loud and clear. Don't wanna do nothing else, get on the floor, move your red.
Don't wanna boogie. Don't care to wanna boogie. I don't care about you. I'm gonna boogie. Ain't gonna stop. Gonna boogie. Hey girl, today use me today. He just wants your booty. He's all about the booty. Well, I just came to boogie. I'm all about the boogie. Tonight's about the boogie. Hey girl, today use me today. He just wants your booty. He's all about the booty. Well, I just came to boogie. I'm all about the boogie. Tonight's